nice to meet you to this new episode of Wickbit. In this season I have my Commodore Amiga A600 to upgrade with this thingy. What it is? It's a it's a Workbench 3.1, and I got also this adapter. It's packed in this thing, and I would like to have a watch inside what's happened with this thing. It's an adapter, and this adapter should be the hard disk. Come out. Aha, come out. So I got this from this company, Sordan. It's no advertisement, but Sordan, I don't know. I bought it at eBay for 26 or 28 euros, and it's okay. It's quite okay. And I would like to build it in now. My Amiga is working, and you can see that on the thing like here. Voila! It's working. And now I would like to deinstall, disassembly the body, and switch off and disconnect this machine. Build in a GoTech drive, but I would like to build in this and other things too. And I must screw that out. Take this. Made in England. It's the important thing. And hit them in here. I hope so. I found out where I have the screws. Open this often. These little tiny screws are gone, lost, or not holding the machine anymore. And what's happened here? Here is this RAM expansion slot. I hope so. I can open it now. Open it. And it's complicated to open it. Hope so. You can. Maybe it's a little bit some plasticky thing, some Schnappi. Yeah, here is no Schnappi. This is. And now I must find out where the thing is coming. It's this LED connector, and so it looks like not so complicated to build in this thing. But now we have an interesting question where it should go. Is this the number one? Yes, it's the number one, and I will connect it. Is that possible to connect this here? It sounds good. Yeah, it works. It's on this side. Well, it's easy to install. Nothing special. Can do that in a minute also. And now this is the CF-Card. You see original. It's original. Really super. And I put it in. Yeah, that was everything. I should pick it up here or glue it. It would be good with a double glue tape. Now, in the next step, I would like to take this double tape and asking Mr. Scissors, here we are, and take this. That's okay. I take this Mr. Scissors here and this super thingy here, and glue it here and here. And here is nothing. Super. There's nothing to glue. But here it's okay. I hope so. There are no shorts and close the deck, and don't forget this. It's on the right side, the LED. Maybe I should use it first. Schnapp, schnapp, schnapp. Schnapp, schnapp, schnapp. Okay. And connect it. You have a watch. What's happened? Maybe now that Amiga is destroyed. Switch it on. And what happened? Booting some from hard disk. You see that right here. Is that possible? That it's booting from hard disk? Blinky blinky. Disk, it makes blinky blinky. Hey, come on! Hey, this is cool! Look! I've never thought that before. But for a super cool thing, look! It starts with the impossible mission. Wonderful. And now I have the second problem. I don't have a mouse. Where I can get a mouse. Oh, you cannot move it, and here you cannot jump around. Not jumping. Oh my gosh, that's super. I never see that system in a thing like this. I would like to make a program with this, a little bit of graphic or stuff like this, but I never have had a Amiga 600. Hey, it's a 600, and now it starts from a hard disk. This is super. RAM disk, work in system. But can I connect a normal mouse? Is that possible? Because there is a possibility to have a normal mouse. I don't know. Never have had one, but this is super. Now I must close it. Should I shut down this? Oh no, it's not possible to shut down it. No. So zack, and in case of that very simple installation, it takes me a few minutes. Important thing is that you put the cable on the number 1. It's marked by the red wire on this cable, and it's easy to install. I must close the Commodore Amiga 600, and then I check up how I can get a mouse. I must ask Guido from Chips. Maybe he have one mouse or a possible way to have a mouse. There are also, I see, optical mice. Look, super. Funny. This is really funny. I liked it. I like my Amiga. And yes and well, the Amiga 600 is an incredible machine. Only installing in a few minutes a hard disk like this, and this booting with no complications. I never thought that's possible. And for me it's the first time. The problem is now I have no mouse. I should ask Guido from Chips if he have a mouse or a possible way to connect the old mouse from a PC. Maybe this is possible, I don't know. Yes, if you're interested in my channel, please subscribe, and if you are also more interested to support this channel, that I can buy more Amigas or buying more Amigas, please sponsor me at Patrons. I will give the address and insert it here. And I say thank you for watching.